In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the D-Link DWR-U2000 5G mobile hotspot as a modem. In our previous tutorial, we have shown you how to set it up and use it as a router mode for all your devices. So now we are going to show you how to use it as a modem for our computer. So the SIM card has already been installed, and as you can see over here, it is connected to 5G network. So to use it as a modem, use the USB cable that comes in box and simply plug it to your computer and the other end into the mobile hotspot. So on our computer, you can see that it is already connected, and we will disable the Wi-Fi. So let's attempt to play a YouTube clip. We'll play this clip. So you're able to play a YouTube clip using the mobile hotspot as a modem. Now what happens if we are to unplug it? Let's do a refresh and we'll play this clip now. You can see that it is displaying that we need to connect to the internet. So if you were to plug it back in again and retry, we are now able to play the clip. So this is how you use the D-Link DWR-U2000 5G mobile hotspot as a modem for your computer.